Generic, robotic-sounding AI outputs are a failure of input. If you aren't getting the results you need, the problem lies in the prompt, not the model's capabilities. Today, we will build a professional 5-layer prompt. This framework forces any AI model to stop guessing and start generating formatted, expert-level deliverables. Open your AI platform of choice to work alongside this tutorial. But before we type a single word, remember, never input confidential, private, or sensitive corporate data into a public model. Treat the text box like a public bulletin board. Success in the age of AI requires adopting the mindset of a project manager engineering a specific brief. To understand why vague prompts fail, we must look at a foundational computer science principle from the 1950s. It's known as garbage in, garbage out, or GIGO. This chart shows how GIGO governs modern AI. A vague instruction, like write some marketing emails, is garbage in.
Because the input lacks direction, the model processes it into the disorganized, generic response seen here. Large language models possess vast training data. Without specific parameters, the AI defaults to the statistical average of all human knowledge to ensure its answer is broadly acceptable. The model possesses zero implicit understanding of your unspoken goals. Structural rigor and intentionality are the absolute requirements for extracting high-value outputs. This 5-layer framework is the structural solution to the GIGO problem. We'll build it one layer at a time. Layer 1 is role. Assigning a specific persona, like an expert career coach, narrows the AI's vocabulary to a professional standard. Layer 2 is context. Feed the model the specific background, target audience, and circumstances it lacks. Layer 3 is the task. Translate your desire into a concrete, measurable action using strong verbs, like analyze and create a tailored resume. Layer 4 defines format. Commanding the AI to structure information into a markdown table saves you manual reorganization time. Layer 5 sets constraints. These are strict boundaries and negative guardrails, like forcing the AI to keep responses under 2 sentences. Before hitting send, perform a pre-flight check for the vagueness trap. Qualitative words like helpful or simple have no mathematical meaning to an AI. Replace them with hard, enforceable metrics, such as write at an 8th grade reading level. These 5 layers transform an empty text box into a rigorous architectural blueprint. The difference is immediate. On the left is the baseline wall of text from a vague prompt. On the right is the perfectly structured markdown table generated by our 5-layer framework. Beginners often fall for the vending machine fallacy. They expect a perfect final product to drop out after one request and abandon the tool if the tone is slightly off. Professionals use this iterative prompt refinement loop. Your initial output is a baseline draft. Step 2 requires you to analyze the output. Evaluate what the model said and how it said it to identify missing details or errors. You can command the AI to find its own flaws. Ask the model to review its previous response for logic errors or stylistic inconsistencies. Issue your refinements directly within the same chat thread. This allows the model to retain the context and intermediate states of the conversation to refine its understanding. Prompt engineering is a continuous, multi-turn dialogue with an intellectual collaborator. You have just engineered a targeted professional asset from scratch using precise commands. This mastery rests on 2 pillars: stacking the 5 core layers to provide context and utilizing the iterative feedback loop to sculpt the result. These frameworks scale your daily workflow. You can now build an executive email generator to save time, or use the iterative Feynman technique prompt to master complex new topics through active dialogue. By fully embracing these structural constraints, you eliminate the frustration of generic outputs and establish a customizable intellectual resource.